Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade kimchi using regular green cabbage. First, choose a firm head of green cabbage, weighing around 2 to 3 pounds. Core the cabbage, then chop it into 2-inch pieces. Next, you'll brine the cabbage in a salt solution for about 2 hours. This draws out moisture and seasons it. After brining, rinse the cabbage thoroughly under cold water to remove excess salt, ensuring a balanced flavor. Now, let's create the heart of your kimchi, the flavorful paste. In a large bowl, combine minced garlic, fresh ginger, and a generous amount of Korean chili flakes, also known as gochugaru. Add a splash of fish sauce, a teaspoon of sugar, and a little water to form a thick, vibrant paste. Finally, mix in some finely grated carrot and chopped green onions. This combination provides both texture and a wonderful depth of flavor. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough. They offer a fantastic lifetime warranty, ensuring your feet stay happy and comfortable, even while you're busy making delicious kimchi. You can find a link to these amazing socks and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With your cabbage ready and paste made, it's time to bring them together. Don some gloves to protect your hands, then thoroughly mix the paste with the brined cabbage, ensuring every piece is coated. Once mixed, pack the kimchi tightly into a clean, airtight glass jar, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. Allow it to ferment at room temperature for 1 to 3 days, tasting daily. Then, transfer it to the refrigerator to slow fermentation. Congratulations, you've made your own delicious kimchi. This versatile condiment is perfect as a vibrant side dish with almost any meal, especially with rice or grilled meats. You can also use it to elevate dishes like kimchi stew, fried rice, or savory pancakes. Store your homemade kimchi in the refrigerator, where it will continue to ferment slowly and develop even deeper, more complex flavors over several weeks. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.